Hey gang, so I'm gonna take you through with installing a frontal wig with me. I made a video on how to make this unit, so I'll leave that link in the description below. You can check that out. But first, okay, we're starting off with the Got2b gel and a cap. You want to get a beige, nude, or brown cap, whatever matches your complexion or whatever you could put makeup. Yeah, so you want to take the gel and you want to spread it evenly across the hairline. Across your hairline, and you want to just spread it out and make sure it's pressing through the cap. So make sure your cap is stretched out over your ears and that is pressing through the cap. You just want to spread that evenly, and you want to make sure everything is nice and neat and flat, and make sure you spread it back also. Place the cap over my ears, so when it dries, only the thin part of the lace will be on my head. If you leave the thick part of the cap, it won't look as natural, and you want everything to look as natural and seamless as possible. That's how you get the perfect install, the perfect wig application. Next, I'm going in with the Got2b spray and spraying wherever I put the gel. You want to press that into the gel so it can blend into your cap, and then the cap can blend into your skin. That's how you make sure the cap doesn't show through the frontal. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Use your blow dryer and go over everything and make sure everything is completely dry. Now it's time to cut the lace off. So you want to cut off all that extra thick piece of lace. You want to cut a little bit further back also, so that you won't have lace sticking outside of your frontal. Your lace is supposed to be behind the hairline of your frontal. So just cut the excess lace off, cut by your ears, cut anything extra. And now you can place your ears on top of your frontal. On top of the lace. Wait, on top of the cap, what the hell? Yeah, so now you can place your ears on top of the cap now when you finish cutting around the perimeter. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. Okay, so we got everything cut. We're going in with the yellow bottle of the Got2b gel, and we're placing that only at the edge, the perimeter of the cap. So only place at the edge, and make sure you smudge it in so that the cap starts to blend in and become this clear cap. You don't want it to look like a beige cap, you want it to look like a clear cap. So this gel will help make that look clear. So now this is the blending part. For the blending part, you want to take a comb and your blow dryer, and you want that perimeter part to get tacky. And for it to get tacky, you want to take the comb and you want to start to press that at the edge of your cap. And make sure you're using this air on cool. It has to be on cool, or
room temperature warm. You do not want it to be extreme. Yeah, so continue to press that down. You just want to press it into whatever extra glue is on the edge. Now you're going to take a foundation or powder that matches your complexion and of your choice, and you want to press that all over the cap or however far back you want it to be. And you just want to make sure you're pressing a good amount so that this cap can look like straight scalp, like you're just bald, like straight bald. And this is how you get the natural look. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. 1 comes around 1 today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 like 2 out the door. Then you have magic. 1 comes around 1 today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 like 2 out the door. Then you have magic. 1 comes around 1 today. They don't see things the same. 2 walk like 2 out the door. Then you have magic. Now you want to take the yellow bottle of Got2b gel and a spray and place that before and on top of the cap to lay the wig down. Just place it at the edge of the hairline or wherever you want your hairline to be placed. That's where you're placing the gel. You can place it before the cap, in front of the cap, however you want to word it. This is where you're going to place it. And you could use a light layer, you could use a thick layer, you could let the first layer dry and add another layer. It depends on how long you want the wig to stay down. See, me, I don't like to keep my wigs longer than a week or a couple of days, so I'm only going to use 1 layer and a little bit of spray. I'm going to blow dry it and then I'm going to place the wig down on top. Placing the wig down, you want to be very careful. I always start in the middle and making sure my part is lined up. So say if I have a middle part, I'm starting with the parting first. Okay, so first you want to make sure it's lined up perfectly and you want to lightly press that down into the glue. Now my glue isn't completely dry because I like to make sure that it's tacky and not dry so that the glue could dry with the lace and it kind of sticks through the lace a little bit, but not where you can see the glue poking out.
So now I'm going to do by my ears. I'm not pressing nothing yet. I just want to place it and see where I like it. As you can see, I'm just placing it down to the area that I want to have my lace at. And you're going to do this very gently. You don't do anything harsh with putting down a lace.
Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
Go in with the gel for all the access lace that you have that's lifting up, and you're just going to place that gel and spray a little bit and then blow dry over your lace, and making sure that everything is down and no hairs are in the way. product. I placed some curls in my hair. I styled my hair up. I hope you guys like it. If you want a video on this styling, then let me know down in the comment section. I will definitely make a video. Bye, you guys. I leave everything.